Hi guys, welcome back to BPrep. The question that we are going to solve in this video is a Venn diagram question from CAT paper last year. Let's move to the question. A club has 256 members of whom 144 can play football, 123 can play tennis and 132 can play cricket. So let's denote these games by three circles. So we have three games: football, tennis and cricket. So there are 144 football players, 123 tennis players and 132 cricket players. Moreover, 58 members can play both football and tennis. So now we have those numbers who can play two or more games. So to have those numbers, let's say these are P, Q, R, okay, and those who can play all the games, let's denote them by G. So in the question it is given that 58 members can play both football and tennis. So if you see football and tennis, P and G can play football and tennis. So let's write P plus G is 58, okay, and then 25 can play both cricket and tennis. So cricket and tennis 25 can play. From here you can see it's R plus G. Okay, this is 25 and 63 can play both football and cricket. So football and cricket players are Q and G. So we can write Q plus G is 63. So this is what given in the question. And if every member can play at least one game, then the number of members who can play only tennis is what? So we need to find out those members who can play only tennis. Let this number be T. We need to find out T. So T is what? This shaded region is T. So we have the value of bigger T. We need to find out the small t. So from bigger T, if we subtract P, G and R, then we'll get the small t. Okay, that is what we need. So now let's see. If I say F union T union C, so union of this is 256, which is total number of players, and we know the formula for this union will be F plus T plus C minus this PQR, okay, because this is getting counted twice here, so we can say P plus Q plus R, and we need to subtract 2G from here. So if you are not sure how we are getting this formula, I have given the link in the card, you can check there. In my previous video, another question of CAT, I have explained this concept, so you can check that video. So now from here, this F union T union C is total number of players, which is 256, okay, and F plus T plus C we can get from here, so it's 144 plus 123 plus 132, so 3, 2, 5, 9, 4, 3, 7 and 2, 9 and 3. So this is 3 and minus P plus Q plus R minus 2G. So from this equation, what are we getting? So from here I can rewrite this equation as P plus Q plus R plus 2G is 399 minus 256. So this is 3, 4 and 1. So actually in exam you won't be writing all these steps. So I assume you know the formula and you can directly put the value. So you will reach here quickly. It's not like you will be writing everything like a schoolboy. So this is what the equation we are getting. And now if we add these three equations, okay, these three we got. So if you add all this, then it's P plus Q plus R plus 3G, okay. So from here I am adding all these three, then this is 8 and 6, this is 146, okay. So from these two equations we can see G is 3. So now we have got the value of G. So from all these three equations, if we put G, we can get P, Q and R. Okay. So as I explained earlier, to know those who can just play tennis, or small t denoted in our diagram, is number of total tennis players minus P minus G minus R. So number of total tennis players is 123. P is 58 minus 3 or 55. G is 3 and R is again 25 minus 3. So it's 22. So it's total 123 minus 5. This is 80 or it's 43. So those who can play only tennis is 43. So hope this is clear. If you have any questions or doubts, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification about the latest videos. Thank you for watching this.